Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And welcome to the first of my series on Christmas cookies. And the first cookie is white chocolate cranberry pistachio cookies. The ingredients we'll be using is a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of white sugar, along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of soda, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, a half a cup of pistachios, and 1 cup of cranberries. We'll start making our cookies by creaming our butter, sugar, and salt together. After your butter and sugar have been creamed, now go ahead and add your egg and mix that well. After that, you'll add all your dry ingredients and your vanilla. Okay, so your cookie mix is all done, and let's go ahead and use our scoop, a small scoop, and put them on our cookie sheet. We'll bake these at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Now that these cookies are in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and take these and put them in the freezer so that we can have these cookies all Christmas long. So it's been 8 minutes exactly, and these cookies are done. I'm going to pull these out and let them cool on the sheet for a minute, and then we'll taste them.
I'm going to try these cranberry, pistachio, white chocolate chip cookies.
Ooh, they look delicious. Is it good?
It's warm and chocolatey. It's good.
Okay, good. Yep, I got to taste the piece. Oh, it's soft and chewy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. A beautiful Christmas cookie. Stay tuned for other cookies coming down the pike. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more cookie recipes in my series for Christmas cookies. Be blessed.